Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to make very tasty potato and semolina pancake. It is very easy to make, and if you will make it you will like it definitely. So whenever you want to make this recipe, please make it and share your experience with me. And if you like today's video, please like, share and also subscribe to my channel, and you can see all the videos Hindi and English also. So let's get started. So for making this, here I have taken a bowl, then I will add 1 cup of semolina and half cup of curd. Now I will add half cup of curd, then mix it nicely. Now I will add water. So add a little bit of water and mix it very nicely. So here it is done. Now I will leave it for 30 minutes. Meanwhile, we will prepare the stuffing. So here I have taken a pan, then I have added 1 tablespoon of oil, and when oil will be hot, then I will add ginger, little bit of finely chopped to chili finely chopped, and some cumin seeds. So add all these things and now mix it and cook it for 1 minute in medium flame. So stir it continuously and mix it. So here it is done, you can see. Now I will add potato. So here I have taken 3 potatoes, which is boiled potato, and I have mashed it. Now mix it. Now I will add a little bit of spices here. So here I have taken half teaspoon of red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, some black pepper powder and some mango powder. So add all these things and mix it nicely, and mix it and press it like this. Now cook it for 2 to 3 minutes. After that I will add a little bit of salt, and you can add salt according to your taste. Now mix it and cook it for 2 to 3 minutes in medium flame. Now you can see it has done. I have mashed the potatoes, you can see. Now last I will add some green coriander finely chopped, then mix it for 1 minute, and now it will be ready. So here it is done. Now leave it for 2 minutes, then it will be cold. Now I will check the batter, so you can see it is now it is thick. So I will add a little bit of water and mix it. You can see how it is consistency. So it is done. Now I will add a little bit of salt according to taste, and baking powder 1/4 teaspoon. Now mix it very nicely. So here it is done. Now we will make the snack. So here I have taken a pan. You can take tawa also. So here I have added oil, and when oil will be hot, then I will add 1 serving spoon of the batter like this. Spread it like this, and now I will add the stuffing. So add the stuffing. You can make the tikki like this, or you can spread it with a spoon. So here I make a tikki and then add it like this, and I will make 2 to 3 tikki and add all the tikki here. So here it is done. Now I will add the little bit of the batter. So add the batter like this, and here it is done. Now cover it and leave it for 2 to 3 minutes in medium flame. So after 3 minutes I will check it. So here it is done in one side. Now I will flip it and cook another side. So flip it. Now cover it and cook it for 2 to 3 minutes more in medium flame. So 3 minutes are over. Now I will check it and you can see it is done. It cooked well. I will show you. See, here it is done. Now I will transfer it into a plate and I will make all the snack like this, and you can make it little bit of small or big. It is your personal choice. Here I am making a little bit of a small, you can see, and here I have spread it with the spoon. You can see it is also very easy, and here it is done. So here I have made this one. Now I will cut it. So before serving you cut it like this. It is very easy to make, and I will show you how it is looking. See, it is looking very tempting, and it is very tasty also. So whenever you feel a little bit of hungry, so make this snack and you will like it definitely. So whenever you want to make it, please make it and share your experience with me. And if you like today's video, please like, share and also subscribe to my channel, and you can see all the videos in Hindi and in English also. So see you soon in another video. Thanks for watching today's video. Thank you so much. Thank you.